Hello everyone, just doing a quick video here, filming our sawmill. We're sawing some 16-foot balsam. This is a Wood-Mizer LT15 we got back in the summer of 2020. Had it for a few years now. Always been a great mill. She just got out of the snowbank today. Everything finally melted around it enough, so chipping away at this. We do have ours set up with the power feed and the 19 horsepower Kohler electric start. We do have an extra section of track on this one. Alrighty, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.